Hi everyone, my name is Tadeya Murphy. Today's date is July 29th, 2019. In this video for week 4, we'll be talking about the lymphatic system and the organs. So I have here a model, a picture on the internet that is blank and it shows the entire lymphatic system. In this video, I will be pointing out a few of the lymphatic organs just to show you all where they're located. Bear with me with this 1D quality of the video, and we'll get started. Once I finish pointing out the lymphatic organs, I would then go ahead and explain to you all how the flow of the lymph goes through the body. So here we have Miss Waters, who was so kind to volunteer for us, and we're all going to start. So we got a list of a few things that we had needed to point out in a model or on a person in real life to show the lymphatic organs. We have the thymus, the spleen, the tonsils, the appendix, the axillary lymph node, the Pierre's patches, and the cervical lymph nodes. So we can start up and then work our way down. So right here, this part here, these things here, these would be considered the cervical lymph nodes, right? And then if you go up here, those are the tonsils right here, these area here. Next, we have the thymus. The thymus gland is located in the middle, which would be this here. We know this is the heart, this is the thymus gland here. And then after the thymus, we'll have the axillary lymph nodes. So we all know the axillary. So that would be here, these nodes here. Next, we have the appendix, which is located here. Then we have the spleen, which is located here. And after the spleen, we have the Pierre's patches, which is this located right here. So those are the, I guess I don't want to say most important, but those are the vital lymphatic organs that deal with our everyday functioning of the human body. I think my favorite, when actually being able to see it on the actual model, is like how it looks kind of like a tree, if it makes sense. How like this the cervical and then the tonsils, like before completing this section of the lab and doing, appropriate research and stuff, I never knew that the tonsils were a part of the lymphatic system. But I mean, I guess you learn new things every day. Today, I will also be talking about, as stated before, the flow of the lymph through the body. So the lymph is moved through the body in its own vessels, making a one-way journey from the interstitial spaces to the subclavian veins in the base of the neck. So since the lymphatic system does not have a heart to pump it, its upward movement depends on the motions of the muscles and joint pumps. As it moves upward toward the neck, the lymph passes through lymph nodes, which filter it to move debris and pathogens. The clean lymphs continue to travel in only one direction, which is upward the neck. And at the base of the neck, the cleansed lymph flows into the subclavian veins on either side of the neck. So that's basically the flow of the lymph through the body. As you can, if you can go back, it starts and it ends in the neck. And it's only traveling in one direction once it's cleansed. And it's upward toward the neck. All right. Thank you guys for watching my video. And I'll see you next week. Bye.